Mujtaba did what he said he'd do, finish Rahul Raja quickly.
Wow, what a right hand from Ahmed Mujtaba. Took 2.5 years out and barely lasted a minute in this matchup. Check out this right hand landed by Ahmed Mujtaba. Fully steps in. You can see Rahul Raja was swinging wildly, and then Ahmed Mujtaba just tucks the chin and lets that right hand fly like he's thrown a bowling ball into the third row. Just a hammer.
He's Pakistani, it's a cricket ball, Dragon, it's a cricket ball. Let's go to topple out.
Ladies and gentlemen, your referee has called a stop to this contest for your winner by way of knockout, Ahmed Mujtaba.
One big, quick punch, Wazzy Makram style to the